And good afternoon, everybody, or good evening, or good morning. Whatever it is a beautiful Sunday here in my garage, and I get to fix stuff. Today, we're talking about dents. My lovely wife happened to gracious me with this repair of fixing this dent. Actually, 3 of them all together. I've kind of circled them in dry eraser marker, just so you can see them a little bit better. But I got a huge one here, I got a smaller one, and a little smaller one too. So, how am I going to fix it? I could take it to a body shop, pay a couple $100s to get these out, or I can pay 20 bucks on Amazon and hopefully fix it for the same thing. So, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to try out these DIY at-home cheap $20 from Japan or from China kits on dent removal. So, let's get along with this journey and see if it works. So what is included in the kit? We got some glue sticks, different colors, pretty cool Chinese glue gun, instruction manual, we got the actual bridge that goes onto the vehicle when you're pulling up the dent, and different size little tools depending on the size of the dent. And over here, this little white thing is if it gets pushed up too much, you'd be able to hold it just like so, and push the dent back in just a little bit so you can get it back down if you did a little bit too much. And that's it. $20 dent kit. And that's what you get. Now as for the application of the product, it seems pretty simple and straightforward. With hot glue on the actual puller, I guess. Just going to place it on there, make sure you get a good amount. We'll let it sit for a couple minutes so it dries.
A few moments later.
Now some dry glue. Position it. And go the other way. And slowly pull it up until this dent pops out. Alright, so pull 2. I'm going to focus on this area right here. Slowly building up the tension on it. And as I said, if you can see from this angle, I'm hoping to pull out about up to this ridge line right here so that that comes out, and then this below the ridge line is going to be the last pull. I'm just slowly building up the tension, and it looks like the glue's failing. And attempt number 3. This time I let the glue dry for a good about 5-7 minutes, just to make sure, because that last glue was still pretty malleable, I guess you can say, when I pulled it off. So let's see if I can get some better results allowing the glue to dry a bit more. Alright, attempt number 4 or 5, I can't remember now. One thing I did change was I used my own hot glue instead of the hot glue sticks that were provided in the kit. So that is the only other variable I can think of to see if I can get enough adhesive force to stick onto this while I'm pulling it up so it pops out the dent. So let's go ahead and see if it pulls this out. It's stuck. You can see I can pull on it. Just not sure if it has enough force to actually pop that dent out. Maybe it just needs a little help. Oh, it popped out. Man, I just need to get up there then. Right? Let's see if we can finish off this dent. This is going to be the new glue that I had. Not using it in the kit. You can see this side already came out. It's looking pretty good. I just have right around here that I want to pull out. On this ridge, pop that out, and it should be done. So same as last time, I'm going to tighten it up, is what I did. Kind of gave it a little pull. Tighten. Pull. Tighten. No. And there you go. Results are in. This thing is a bunch of junk. Over here on the dents, they look a little bit better. You can see a little bit of it came up, but it all didn't come up. This thing right here, where you put the glue, just doesn't have enough suction or have enough adhesiveness that it's going to hold on to the actual metal piece onto the body part while you pull up to get that dent out. So that's the result. It's not working. I'm sure maybe if you try for hours and hours and hours, maybe you're going to get it. Maybe you're going to have to find some better adhesive. But right now, after about 2.5 hours, this thing's busted. So, it is what it is. With that, as always, thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit the notifications so you know when new videos come out. And thank you very much for watching. As I always say, I appreciate it right from my heart, every one of you guys. So, as always, ride safe, drive safe, and keep at least 2 wheels on the road.